Hello friends, in this video I will be discussing about a new website, that is the Word Wall, that provides us the facility to create the quiz in the game form. As you know that the children love to play game, as the games have sound, blocks, animation. So if we provide the assignment in the format of game, then it would be very attractive and very interesting for the students to attempt the assignment. So it will be very beneficial for academic purpose. So let's start. This is the website, that is the Word Wall. So first of all, you will write the Word Wall in Google, and you will get the first link that you get, wordwall.net. So click on the link. After clicking the link, you will reach to the home page of this website. So what you need to do, first you need to create your account. So you can create the account by using your KVSRO official account. So I am doing it. I am clicking on the I have already created my account, so I am clicking on the login. But if you are doing for the first time, then you have to click on the sign up, and you will take your email ID of KVSRO organization. So here I am clicking on the login option, as my account is already created, and here I am taking the option sign in with Google. If you use the sign in with Google, then you do not need to create the account, and you can directly use your official email ID. So this is the home page. This is my home page on this website. So if you want to create a quiz in the game format, then you will create the option, you will click on the option create activity. Please see this, and here you will get variety of the options like this: matchup, random wheel, ye group sort, hangman, find the match. So many options are available here. We can select any of our choice, but please remember that we can assign only 5 quizzes to students in a month in the free version. Otherwise we have to purchase the pro version of it. Okay, so I'm creating here the like matchup. I'm creating here. So I'm giving it a name like quiz. So this is the matchup. So here I will write the word, and in the other column I will write the definition. So here I have prepared this match the following. Here I have given the definition, and here I have given the word. You can do in reverse order. You can give word here and definition here. My purpose is to match the following. So you can just type here, and here you can get the option for my bold, and here mathematical symbol if you want to adopt any of them. And there are many more. You can see if we click on one of them, the whole window will open, and we can select any of the symbol as per our requirement. So this is prepared, and if you want to add more items, you can add more by clicking on plus, and the maximum that you can add is 30. Okay, so when you have done, click on the done button, and here in this window you can see, you can play your quiz in the game format, and you can see how is it looking before assigning it to students. So you can see this is my quiz, and I can give the definition. I can fill it like this, and this here, and this here, and this here, and this here. The children will do in the same way, and I'm clicking on submit answer. It's checking my score. Okay, so this is the way. And if you want to see the answers, you can like click on the show answers. It will show the answers, correct answers back. And if I want to start the game again, I will click on the start again. Okay, and here you can see the many templates are available here. You can switch to any template at any time. So suppose I want to give this quiz in the balloon pop, I will take the option balloon pop. Now it will appear in this attractive format, like this is level 1, the quiz is going on, and here the truck is coming, and all the words are, all the explanation written on the balloon. Suppose identifier, so this is the Okay, I so you the children can play in this way. So you can take any of the format as you think fit or interesting. If I take the quiz format, then it will come in the quiz format. Okay, like MCQ quiz that we generally give using the Google form or formative. So you can see this, it will work in this way. Okay, or score, you can see score is updating here. And if I want to take the option find the match, and it will appear in this way. Okay, so you can take any of the format. Yeah, here many formats are available in the free version. You can take any of them. Okay, so when you are done, then you will click on the share. One more thing that I want to tell: this printable PDF, you can convert your test, your quiz in PDF format. Like if I click on the matchup, it will come in the PDF format. Okay, printable PDF format. And I can download it and I can give the copy to the students for to solve. And the one more thing here is this is the added content. If I click if I find any mistake, any spelling mistake or any kind of mistake, I can click on the edit content and I can make the changes in the test that I have prepared. Okay, when you are done, then click on the share button and uh, take the option my students set assignment, and then here enter name. Okay, none, the deadline none, show answer, start again. Give these options to students. Click on the start. So you have reached to your Google Classroom page. From this menu box, you will select your class to which you want to assign the quiz. Suppose I have made this quiz for class 11C, so I am selecting the class. Here you will get the option like create assignment, ask question, make an announcement, create material as you get in your Google Classroom. So I am taking the option create assignment. So I will click on go button and this quiz will be assigned to my students. Hope you would like my video, and this is the way to work on the word fall. There are many options, you can explore it. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you.